Hey, what's up, guys? This is Leonie here from Maison Modern, Cameroon's fastest growing furniture manufacturing company. I want to welcome you to our brand new factory in Bonaberi, just behind Carthage. Now, we're launching on Saturday the 15th. That's after tomorrow. Now, some of you are already informed, some of you, this is coming so short notice, but I understand if you can't make it. You can come around any other time between now and the near future. Now, this is my lovely brand new office at the new factory with a beautiful long, 3 meters long table. On this side, I have a beautiful board here where I'm going to design. I had a meeting here today with my staff, and we can design what we have here first, brainstorm, and then they go out to go work. Lovely, nice, high table here that has a fridge that is embedded right here, and it also has beautiful, nice lighting up here, which changes colors, as you can see. Now, on this side, we have a lovely TV stand. Now, this could be in your home, it could be in your office, it could be in your bar, it could be anywhere you want. And we have this lovely C-shaped stand, which matches this brand new C center table I designed for myself when we moved in here, done with Formica, marble Formica finishing right here, and a very comfortable sofa over here. We make with springs as well. You can chill here. Now this, as I'm talking, everything here is made in Cameroon. Come take a look at the front of this desk here. Now this is state-of-the-art, high density Formica we have actually used to manufacture this piece here. It has beveled edges all around here and around the corners. Beautiful squares, LEDs on the front, and it has this nice T-shaped design here on the front face, which gives it a particular look and feel. Now this is all designed by Maison Modern and made in Cameroon. This could be your office. We're inviting you to come to our launching on Saturday to see our new factory, which actually has changed massively from what you probably know, and we want to move into Christmas on a particularly high. And I'm going to show you just a tip of the iceberg, just two offices, just two. You can see the rest when you come in on Saturday. I'm going to show you the textiles room, and I'm going to show you the design room. So let's go. This is the textiles department. We have a nice long table, 3 meters long, where they cut the fabric. You can see the lace I work on the project. Now this is from Moulin de France, one of Cameroon's best restaurants. We have all these lovely ladies sewing different projects, and these are going to customers around the country. Now, this is a very cozy, nice, comfortable room, so the people working here can have a great time whilst enjoying their work. We're going to go next door and look at the design department. This is the design department. Now, these guys actually will spend a lot of time designing the products that we want to make. Now, design is very important because we will get to dimension or to scale what needs making. So when it's done here, it now goes outside to the team, so the guys can now make to scale. Now, one thing they do that's very important is they will generate what we call a production sheet, where you can see here, which has all dimensions here to go to the customers outside. So guys, I'm really hoping you can make it on Saturday. Come celebrate with us, come lunch with us, and come see for yourself. It's going to be 9 a.m. in the morning on Saturday for just 30 minutes. So by 9:30, 10 a.m. it'll be done. We're just going to have some gathering, some food, some drink, and then we're going to kickstart work and go forward. My name is Leonie. Peace and ciao.